Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome back to All Eyes Spanish, the channel where learning Spanish becomes easy and fun. Today, we're tackling in one of the most trickiest parts of the Spanish learners, the difference between ser and estar. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use each one and feel confident with your Spanish conversations. Plus, I've got some fun exercises to help you practice. Are you ready? Let's get started. In Spanish, ser and estar both mean to be, but their uses are different. Ser is for things that are permanent or define identity. Think of it as describing what something is. In the other hand, estar is for temporary states or locations. Think of it as describing how something is. For example, soy profesor is a permanent identity. Estoy cansado is a temporary state. Now, I'll show you a list of common uses of ser. Use ser in these situations. Descriptions: La casa es grande. The house is big. Occupations: Soy estudiante. I'm a student. Characteristics: Ella es amable. She is kind. Time and date: Hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Origin: Somos de México. We are from Mexico. Relationships: Ellos son mis amigos. They are my friends. Notice how these examples describe something permanent or unchanging. Now, we'll see a list of common uses of estar. Use estar in these situations. Locations: Estoy en casa. I'm at home. Emotions: Estás feliz. You are happy. Physical conditions: El café está caliente. The coffee is hot. Temporary states: Estamos ocupados. We are busy. Ongoing actions: Están estudiando. They are studying. It's also important to let you know some common mistakes that the learners make and how to avoid them. Sometimes they say, Estoy profesor, instead of soy profesor. Remember, occupations use ser. Pro tip: if you are not sure, ask yourself, am I describing what it is or am I describing how it is? That will usually give you the right answer. Now it's time to practice. I'll show you some sentences and you'll have to choose between ser or estar. Yo de Canadá. Soy. Yo soy de Canadá. Ser. Mi hermano enfermo hoy. Está. Mi hermano está enfermo hoy. Estar. Nosotros en la playa. Estamos. Nosotros estamos en la playa. Estar. El cielo azul. Es. El cielo es azul. Ser. Awesome word today. Now you know how to difference between ser and estar and how to use them correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these verbs on your conversations. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more All Easy Spanish content. And if you have any questions or suggestions that you'd like to learn, drop them in the comments below. Nos vemos y hasta luego.